Hello everyone, it's Caitlin here, and today I'm going to be playing Five Nights at Freddy's. I've already completed it. I just need to do 2020 mode. But anyway, we're gonna get into a new game. Oops, I clicked that. Anyway, we're gonna get into a new game, and I'm gonna see if I can survive. Alright. Well, I've already completed this game, and they don't come active till like ages, so you kind of just need to sit here and wait. But let's listen to the phone call.
Hello. I wanted to record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night. I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact, so I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll be fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Upon discovery
Why are they
that
still
damage or
not active
death
yet?
has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days or as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned and
I can hear moving, but like I
Department of
can't see
Federal
anyone.
Waste, blah, blah, blah. Now, that might sound bad, I know, but there's really nothing to worry about.
Still haven't
The
moved.
animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No.
Hello.
If I were forced to sing
Come
those
on.
same stupid songs for 20 years and I never got a bath,
It's two and
I'd
no
probably
one's
get a bit
moved. Oh,
irritable at night too.
there we go. There's
So
Bonnie.
remember, these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children
Who
if you
cleans
show
this
them a
place?
little
It's
respect,
stinking.
right? Okay. So just be
Let me
aware,
drink.
the
Let me
characters do
drink.
tend to wander a
Nope.
bit.
Okay.
They're left in
Then
some
to
kind of
wander a
free
bit.
roam mode at
There we go.
night. Something about
It's
their
very laggy.
servos locking up if they get turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too, but then there was the bite of 87.
The bite of 87.
It's amazing that the human body can live without the frontal lobe, you know? Now, concerning your safety, the only real risk to you as a night watchman here, if any, is the fact that these characters, if they happen to see you after hours, probably won't recognize you as a person.
He's in the hall.
They'll
Right,
most
okay.
likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without a costume on. Now, since that's against the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to
Forcefully
forcefully stuff
stuff
you
you into a
inside a
suit.
Freddy Fazbear suit.
Anyway.
Now, it wouldn't be so bad if the suit itself weren't filled with crossbeams, wires, and
I've never
sharp
done that before.
devices, especially around the facial area.
I
So
didn't
you
know you
can
could do
imagine
that on
how
the
having your
app.
head forcefully pressed inside one of those could
Get away
cause
from
a
my
bit of
door.
discomfort and death. The only part of you that would likely
I
feel
can hear
right if they did
footsteps.
would be your eyeballs and teeth cause out
I'm
really
just closing
fast.
that door.
Yeah, they don't tell you these things
Okay,
inside,
in
though.
there.
But hey,
Right.
first things be a breeze. I'll chat with you tomorrow. Check those cameras and remember to close the doors only if absolutely necessary.
Right, okay.
Gotta conserve power. Alright, good night.
Okay, night night. Right. Look at that wee cupcake, it's so cute. Can I just say something? In the second one, there's a box just like that, but the thingamabobber's in it, the puppet, or marionette. Anyway, where's Bonnie Bonzer now? He's still in there. Chica? Chica? Oh, there she is. That's okay. Alright, now, 5 AM. We're obviously going to do this, because, you know, there's no, there's no one there. No one's come to the door yet. I found that sad. Foxy's not even active. When does he come active? Like 4? Anyway. Oh, jeez, that scared me. I jumped. Oops. Well, I actually jumped then. That scared me. Oh well. Are you gone? Where'd you go? Where are you, Bonnie? That's okay. Alright, Chica. Oh, there we go. It's really weird, like glitches at 6. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Right, now, that was it from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!